He is a practicing architect in Chandigarh, an author, a motivational speaker, thinker, poet, architecture critic, and a musician. Sir, we extend a warm welcome to you from the Creative Group family. Sir, it's our pleasure to have you here with us in our office, and we'd love for you to share some of your wisdom with us. So I'd like to invite you up. Please give him a huge round of applause.
Hi friends, after lunch, I've got 4 earlier. I'll just take 15 minutes of yours and from the scale with you people are working, I'm going to bring you to more grounded projects we are doing. We talk more of philosophy and run through projects. Cubist modernism इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि modernism तो we all know is what I come from here in Chandigarh. Cubism is a impression of an artist. Picasso was the man who made Cubism. So why I'm saying Cubist modernism is because जो Cubism की जो lines हैं, जो colors हैं, he was even Corbusier was influenced by Picasso. So the underlying philosophy of modernism is Cubist modernism, which we love. What is the man? And I think the evolution of modern architecture in India primarily depends on Chandigarh. All the masters of the first generation, be it Rajawal sir, Joshi sir, and Ramendra sir, all those people were influenced somewhere or other. Either they worked in his office in Paris or they worked in Chandigarh. Because Chandigarh was the only place in India where you could see modern architecture coming up. And like I speak to the students and I'm speaking to you also, architects, that we in India are very, very fortunate because we have Louis Kahn in India, we have Corbusier in India, we have Otto Koenigsberger in India. Yeah. And so all those people, so I think these architects change the skyline of India. That's why इनको याद रखना, इनको to give them the credit of Indian architecture is absolutely important. How many of you have come to Chandigarh? Great. I see architects after 20 years of practice, they haven't come to Chandigarh. It's a shame, yaar. We have a living laboratory here. And in Chandigarh, friends, everything is worth doing thesis. Buildings नहीं है वहाँ पे. Horticulture, landscape, streets, street furniture, the sensitive doors, and anything you name under the sun, from town planning to buildings, it exists there. जिसकी हम बात करते हैं sustainability की, it was there 50-60 years ago. So that's a kind of what my father and sir used to call a living laboratory. So I was very depressed when a lot of people, foreigners used to come. Indians never came to our place. So we started this foundation called A3 Foundation, which is almost about 15-16-year-old now. So people used to come from South India, and they wouldn't know what to do. Sir, आप क्या करना है, हमें कहाँ जाना है? So we used to take them around, took it on us as a social responsibility to sort of tell the world what architecture of Chandigarh is all about. It's not about Corbusier. I'm telling you, 15 years ago, even the editors of magazines and other people thought कि Corbusier तक Chandigarh था, उसके बाद Corbusier आया, मर गया, खत्म हो गया. They could never realize कि what we as practicing architects can do, because there are so many restrictions. There are limitations. but we love those limitations, और उन्हीं limitations के अंदर we are building, you know. So this, yeah, I'm going to talk to you of a very principled kind of a practice, which is narrow, you know, which is streamlined, but still we'll see what we can do. This is the kind of this is the presentation which I made for somebody in Germany for masters. So I'll skip certain things and not bore you because you're all architects. I mean, for the people who haven't gone to Chandigarh, इसको मैं क्या बोलूँ? Painting बोल सकता हूँ. It can be a painting, it can be poetry, it can be, I mean, frozen music बोलते हैं हम लोग. This is here, you can see frozen music actually here. These are colors at that time. इसको हमने नहीं लगाया किसी ने. You know, in Chandigarh, if I make a bad building, even a rickshaw wala will say, क्या बना दिया सर आपने? There is so much of public opinion. That's the fine part of Chandigarh. For to some extent, Ahmedabad, or all those places which have got that rich modern heritage. So this is the difference between heritage and modern heritage. This is all about this. Next. Mr. Doshi, 10 years ago, since he became very ill, sir, before that he used to come every year. Every year he would come, take me, चल संगीत वहाँ चलेंगे ना, घूमेंगे कैपिटल कॉम्प्लेक्स में, घूमो जी, वो चप्पल पहन के बेचारे को घूम रहे हैं. I used to ask him, sir, आप हर साल आते हो? He says, I'm learning architecture. A man who worked with Corbusier says, I want to walk in Capitol Complex and I want to inhale architecture. That's the kind of potential. And used to bring people from abroad. Are Sangeet, isko bhi ghumane le jao, isko ghumane le jao. So half my life I spent only in ghumaing people. Aage chalo. I mean, some kind of views. I mean, you could stand here, friends, you all architects, and you can write a book on the geometry of this place. The curve, the structure system, the proportion, the volume, the height, the scale, monumentality, color, openings, fenestrations, shadows, materials. कितना कुछ बोल गया ना मैं? You could do it in one painting. Such magnificence lies in this. So, small jobs we do. In the periphery of Chandigarh, we have limitations. We still have to use concrete and steel, concrete and bricks. Outside Chandigarh, when they have acquired an IT park, we can go a little beyond, but still we in my office, in my training, we still like to live up to the values of Chandigarh. So like this is an IT park, I start from a sketch, and वो cubism हमारे अंदर ingrained है वो चीज़, because I still see my father, you know, sketching. As I see sir also some sketching, वो sketching color से शुरू होता है, that gets transformed into a plan, that gets transformed into architecture. It's not the other way. I mean, we people are trained, you know, straight away think of something, come to computer. ऐसा नहीं होता. Make a sketch, color it, make it into a composition. If that composition is good, only then the architecture will be good. This is what my father has taught me. Next. So this is an IT building, friends. तो IT building छोटी सी IT building है, 1 acre. इतना से प्लॉट मिलता है चंडीगढ़ में हम लोगों को. और if I see the north side of, like there's a composition in the whole thing, the entrance porch and the curved beams, all these structured beams are now become the planters. So that's a central, you know, the sketch of how I attained this. So there's a cubism involved in it. There's an artistry involved in everything. Next. इस तरह की बिल्डिंग लगती है जहाँ से, you know, have some openings done, the glass are inclined. What sir speaks about sustainability, we try to achieve it here. So structure systems are all honest. So honesty of structure is what we have been taught, and some framework. Next. Just running through a little faster. उस तरह की चीज़ बनती है पहले. We try to make it into a cubist painting, transfer it into a sketch. Now this evolution is that, like sir was saying, that you need column-less spaces inside IT buildings. So the primitive hut, वहाँ से फिर वो analogy लेके हमने फिर वो column बना दिए. So all the building has got 4 columns on the sides of the 4 sides. Inside all is column-less, totally column-free spaces. Very difficult to get structural engineers in Chandigarh to make this building. Like this. Next. Creating skylights, volumes inside, the terraces. This is the executive area, so you get some, so same fundamentals what you and I we do every day, but I'm showing you the limitations. Next. This is a hostel in Jalandhar, 2000 bedded hostel. Now they have money which is less, so it goes into phases. So every unit is made like that. Ki if it is alone, if it's one module, it should look complete. So ऐसे करके ये चीज़ बनती है landscape वाली, and washrooms are on the sides, and the cubism of the undulatory glazing is what we have been taught in Chandigarh. वैसा होता है. You see one whole block. These are the washroom areas, the natural bricks, jalis, so that there's a cross ventilation. First time we gave area to hang their clothes. Otherwise, you see balconies full of clothes. So like sir was saying, you have to have some courage to do things. This central is the central block of caretakers. Next. Louvers, what we learn in Chandigarh, naturally they are not air conditioned, so I have to break the sun, the same fundamentals what you're using, same things what we just learned from sir. So उस तरह से the difference only is in the approach, the difference only is in the appearance. This is Jalandhar, so it is in the heart of NIT, and so I am conscious about my surroundings, so I use the materiality which is not very urban, which, I can't use concrete buildings here. Next. And you can see the detailings, every structure component is sort of related in such a way. There is courtyard, shafts. I think you guys can see more of the sketches than this, so relations, they're very interesting. Next. Some good shot. Next. On the open fourth floor, I gave an open air theatre. It was a free space, and so I said, let's try this. So we had a big fight with the director. He says ki it's not required, and but we still gave, sir. He said nobody will use. अब वहाँ पे there's no space, जगह नहीं मिलती, because people love to sit outside, study, read, and all this stuff. So this kind of innovations we keep doing. Next. That scigraphy is very interesting. I mean, this is in Chandigarh what we learned from the buildings of Corbusier and my father. These people think in terms of scigraphy, जो हम लोग भूल जाते हैं, because our generation deals with facades and calibrations, jalis. So this kind of thing is very interesting. We still carry forward. Chalo. Effect of materials and those paintings. Next. One of the projects in Coimbatore. Very simple. People of South India, as it is, however rich they may, they are very simple. So Coimbatore has a lot of breeze, unlike Chennai, where there is humidity. There is no humidity here. So there's a very interesting thing. Chalo. So having understood the breeze factor, so non-AC buildings, so there's a very sustainable planning, gaps between the blocks, cross ventilations. Next. That's okay. Next. We all do this. Kind of sustained scigraphical elevations. Next. Corridors, double height, triple height. Entrance, which was double height. So giving them free spaces, but a lot of ventilation, cross ventilation and light which was coming in. That makes the whole thing very interesting. So standing anywhere, there is so much of breeze, there is so much of effect of the place, like this. So there's a nice avenues you get, and some water bodies. So the entrance porch also is there. Basically, I've seen that whatever free spaces we get, I mean, they are the most effective. Next. ऐसे करके इस तरह की भी image है. We never applied, sir, for any green lead and all that. Somewhere in between, somebody came, says, why don't you try for Griha? So this was the 2018 best performance Griha building. we never wanted to sort of apply, but we somehow achieved in such a way that it tick marked everything. Next. Next. Framing, general stone cladding. We gave them options of sliding, this and that. They won't agree, like all typical clients. So जैसे भी है जितना भी बन गया. Next. Next. Simply carrying forward the legacy, carrying forward the traditional values. Same वो lower system है, non-AC building है. It's a building in Jammu University, but the character has to be something which is our namesake. So next. So nice clean image बन जाती है, protects the room from the sun and gives some lineage, some image, some the details. There's a difference, there's the gap between the balconies also. तो जम्मू में बनवाना ये सब चीज़ें is very difficult, but we achieved it. Next. For the cross ventilation in the back end, that's the kind of the structure system which was important. Next. This is usually in all our buildings. The structure, the system of structure will collaborate itself, and it will blend in such a way. Otherwise, the plan is very simple: 2 blocks and a central fire. This is absolutely simple. We all do this, but how you sort of treat it is important. That's what was important. Next. So someone said that we come to give exams. We are so tense and tired. So why not add some color, yaar? लाल रंग वहाँ लगाओ ना वहाँ पे अच्छा सा. So कोई जब अंदर जाएगा कोई he'll feel happy at least कि यहाँ पे आए हैं. So this is the kind of environment we try to make. Next. I remember the first time I said, sir इसको grey करते हैं. There was a hue and cry. काला रंग लगा रहे हो, बेवकूफ़ हो. But then once they see the whole thing, I say it's not kala, sir, it's grey. The difference between kala and grey. So this is grey. But rest all images you can see. So from the far you see this. Next. Small buildings, but they carry forward a good character. When we came first time, the vice chancellor said that you are from Chandigarh, we want a concrete building here, good concrete building. मैंने कहा sir, I can't work. We cannot work. How can I make a concrete building? नहीं आप तो चंडीगढ़ से हो. मतलब they think चंडीगढ़ से है तो concrete building बनाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है sir. Building must blend in. This is what we learn. This is what we are taught. And इस तरह की building बनाई फिर हमने जाके वहाँ पे. Next. It blends so beautifully. Inside it can be a state of the art. It can be a state of the art, but it must be a building which is for the place it is made for. We took all the hill characters, we took all the pine से बड़ा influence होके हमने फिर वो बनाई, glazing बनाई. Next. So the overall ambience of the things. Next. When the chief minister came, sir, he came for inauguration, and we had a lift. He says, "नहीं, I like to walk the ramp." Because ramp pe every time he used to walk up, there was so play of light, play of shadows, lights. It was so good. He enjoyed walking. He was, I think, 80-year-old. Next. I'm missing out all these things. I'm not speaking about all these things. Next. This is the Museum of Natural History in the Museum University. Next. ये सारे sketches of evolution मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. They did not want the bones of a 1,000-year-old elephant to be exposed to sun. So you enter here, you come to a corridor. Corridor से फिर अंदर जाके ऐसे जाते थे हम लोग. So sustainability का तो पूरा एक lecture बन जाता है. Next. Nevertheless, I'm just trying to show you some images. वो करते करते animals को birds के बारे में सोचते सोचते there's a bird's eye बन जाती है. My dad tells me that subconsciously the solutions of architecture come out. If you keep thinking about it, कुछ ना कुछ बाहर निकल जाता है. Next. So though that kind of relationship with the diagram, with the elevation, the structure system, ribs. Next. Next, that was the kind of a bird's eye जो अपने आप बन गई. So flying bird बन गया. This is the relics जिसके लिए इतना crores of rupees have been spent. So we used to wonder क्या जरूरत है. So this is a kind of a, you know, you're making building for natural history, तो वो चीज़ बन जाती है. So we thought that, but an interesting experimentation in terms of understanding zoology, geology. So, you know, you ask questions to the scientists. Small project of making a library for Punjab police. हैं सर? तो मैंने कहा ये पंजाब पुलिस के लिए लाइब्रेरी तो इज़ एब्सोल्युटली इनसिग्निफिकेंट प्रोग्राम. कोई नहीं आएगा थे पढ़ने वास्ते. I said if you want to do it, then make a food court नीचे. कम से कम वो खाने आएंगे, चाय का प्याला ऊपर ले जाएंगे. कहते यार दिस इज़ वेरी अब्सर्ड. मैं कहता लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट. पैसे तो मैं और मांग नहीं रहा आपसे. तो फिर हमने वो फूड कोर्ट बनाया नीचे, उसके साथ कोर्टयार्ड्स बनाए और बड़ी सिंपल सी बिल्डिंग बनाई. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज पुलिस अकेडमी, बट गेव देम अ वेरी ब्राइट इंटीरियर्स. एंड ऐसा प्ले ऑफ लाइट, शेडोज़, कलर्स का मैजिकल हो गया वहाँ पे दैट पीपल एक्चुअली केम. अखबार पढ़ने आते हो भले, लेकिन आते ज़रूर हैं. आई सेड प्लीज़ अलाउ देम टू ब्रिंग देयर स्नैक्स एंड टी ऊपर. And so this is the kind of, you know, the geometry is playing its shape and the colors, and it became very successful. So they ये एक जान के एक colors का एक play किया so that, you know, they would be attracted to it. So a kind of geometrical play, how architecture acts as a psychology, acts as an element to, you know, lure human beings into something big, like Sir says. Next. Again an IT building, again the same concept. If I can save energy by doing a little bit of play on my facade, why not? The client says I have money, I can make into a glass box. I said but I don't make glass box. If I had to make glass boxes then you don't need me. So anyway we had little fight. तो ऐसा करने की कोशिश की हमने. कुछ lures बने, कुछ ये चीज़ें बनी. Typical things, how to break the direct light, get diffuse light, same fundamentals which you are doing. You're doing it on a very high scale. This is a smaller scale. Next, but get some good elevations. The idea is at the end of the day you get an image, you get an elevation which is striking, which you can relate to, which you can say कि यार इसमें कुछ दम है. That becomes, you know, architecture which stays for life. That's again the cubism that will never go from us. The cubism will always remain. How that gets translated into it is onto us. Next. Timex factory बनाई बद्दी में. American people, Timex, so they would say that make it absolute box. I said fine, लेकिन फिर भी उसमें कुछ थोड़ी सी इमेज डालने की कोशिश की. And this is very interesting sections, friends. इसके एलिवेशन को जनरेट करने के लिए वो टाइम का फैक्टर लिया हमने. Trying to derive the median system, the Indian standard time कहाँ पे फॉर्म होता है. Next, 12 hours उसको juxtapose करते हुए कुछ एलिवेशन ट्रीट करने की कोशिश की. वी वर साइलेंट, वी डिडंट शो दिस कॉन्सेप्ट टू द क्लाइंट. उसको कुछ समझ नहीं चीज़ों की. उसको कह रहा है मुझे एक डिब्बा बना दो वेयर पीपल वर्क, कम इन द मॉर्निंग एंड गेट आउट. दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. बट देन वी मेड इट एंड देन इट वन अ फ्यू अवार्ड्स. देन ही कॉल्ड मी कि मिस्टर शर्मा व्हाट डिड यू डू, व्हाट वाज सो स्पेशल अबाउट इट, इज जस्ट अ बॉक्स. देन दे अंडरस्टैंड इट. नेक्स्ट, clients are always like this. Give some good interiors, the collages of the times everywhere, you know, try to show the time. Next, try to see these sketches and that elevation which you know, our generation, I come in the middle, not here, I come in the middle. You know, we have lost that art of making the elevations with psigraphies. You know, we get it from the software, but we don't understand the concept. We just on the button of psigraphy. My dad tells me that you should look at the building through psigraphy. That's fantastic. Only then you understand. And I still remember him bringing the tracing paper with softly like this making scigraphy with hand, है ना सर? 45 एंगल पे वो करके करते थे, and then just rub it with their fingers. Trying to bring out an effect of scigraphy on the tracing paper is so difficult, and you don't smudge it. if अगर हाथ ऐसा लग जाता था तो सारा हाथ काला हो जाता था. That kind of generations are there. I'm missing out various things. This is one of my projects, very early projects in Mohali, in Naipur, where natural material was used. And next, just trying to show you some graphics. Straight triangular scigraphy, the curvilinear, the effect on the red bricks, and अच्छा लगता था मुझे उस टाइम पे. It won many awards, and at that time, you know, it looked simple, but yet in its simplicity there was a lot of, without knowing much of sustainability, without knowing much of those words, I arranged these rooms in terms of the sun path, and उसकी अपनी एक configuration बन जाती थी, trying to get natural light, ventilation. Of course, we studied all the climatology, but at that time it wasn't very proficient. Next. Central court and cross ventilations everywhere. It worked. I think what I learned is that if you make a building, go there and stay there for a day or stay there for 2 days, and if it works, you are successful. Next. Some images of bright colors. We always thought hostels are very bland, so adding some colors. Next. This is pure small scale sustainability which we talk about. Next. Okay. Next. When we do extensions in Chandigarh, we still use the same pattern of bricks and concrete, and we are very proud of this. Civic buildings में अभी भी ये character चलता है, अहमदाबाद में भी चलता है. I mean, you have to do this. That's why Chandigarh is Chandigarh. Otherwise, Chandigarh will become Indore or any such places. If you see any building, for that matter, any mall or something, it's like it can be anywhere. But a building in Chandigarh will say, yes, this is a Chandigarh building, because this still enforce you the characteristics of a building. So this is a CSIO complex which my dad designed 40 years ago. And I designed this new complex, and it was such a burden on my head. I was speaking to Gurpreet sir कि एक legacy को आगे लेके जाना कितना मुश्किल होता है सर, हमसे पूछो. Anyway, so this is the cutout, and they wanted, you know, natural least lights, and the building forms, the geometrical patterns, the play of lights. It's all same things which we all see, which we all do, but how you treat it. Structure systems की honesty हमें सिखाई है. ऊपर skylight है, people are going to work here, double height, triple height, lot of light, as simple as that. कहने को workshop है, but there are going to be 200-300 students working here. So कहने को जो मर्जी हो, spaces हमारे लिए, आपके लिए, मेरे लिए spaces तो same हैं. So that's a kind of intervention of the structure systems. They said कि इसको निकाल देते हैं. सर नहीं, निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Double triple height में it gives you some sense of protection, some sense of balance. So let the structure be seen, and the skylight. Next. So ये एक geometrical pattern बनता है. We had a very bad contractor who really cried at my drawings, but anyway बना दिया उसने. So a lot of workmanship issues. Next. Last few slides. This is one of the buildings which latest buildings I'm doing in IIT Roorkee. It's a mathematics department. So the whole thing faces north. अब कैसे लाइट को अंदर लेके आए? So all the framework was triangular ताकि लेफ्ट एंड राइट से लाइट अंदर आए, और उसको ब्रेसिंग करने के लिए इस तरह का कुछ इमेज बनाया. नेक्स्ट. उसकी बाकी फोटोग्राफ्स नहीं हैं, बट द बिल्डिंग इज़ मेड, एंड दैट प्रीवियस चलना, एंड दैट कैंटिलीवर इज़ अबाउट 23 feet with zinc cladding, which is very interesting, which comes out. Next. A project in Hamirpur. It's a HPT University. So As I said, hill architecture, hills, but color combinations, geometrical systems, or what, that will never go from me. That will never go from anybody. So what your training is, you apply it anywhere. That's a theater, open air theater. चल के देखा आगे चल. This is a chemistry block in IIT Roorkee. Very simple. So कहीं lures हैं, कहीं नहीं हैं, कहीं चीज़ें हैं. तो amalgamation has to be something very simple. I mean, simplicity is what is taught to us. If you see a secretariat building, it's just a 300 feet block. उसमें कुछ नहीं है. 300 feet block, if I am to design today, I will try all kind of configurations. यहाँ से मोड़ दूँ, यहाँ से कर दूँ. But they believed in simplicity, but how they articulate it, that's amazing. Next. This is the boys' hostel, and all under construction. These are all old images, but buildings under construction. So वो कहाँ पे वो चीज़ open air में आती है, और we tried, and first time we tried to play with the balconies which goes left and right. So the structure man refused to do it, but still we're getting it done. Next. It's one of my under construction project. It's a library, small library in NIT Jalandhar. So trying to go up through the steps. So we use a lot of. It's become a character with me, or in our office. We highlight the steps in a very beautiful way, wherever possible, without taking away the space. So इस तरह की चीज़ है. This is a lecture theatre complex. Very unique kind of an elevation derived. अंदर sections ऐसे हैं inclined में जहाँ पे lecture theatre है, बाहर straight है. So to blend that incline vis-a-vis the straight line was very difficult. लेकिन फिर भी कुछ pattern ऐसा elevation में आ जाता है, बन जाता है, which was very interesting. Next. So together if I see my library and lecture theatre complex, इस तरह से चीज़ बनती है. That's a cafeteria kind of a thing with Y columns. So trying to do best out of the very concise estimates. They're all government projects. It's not private. I mean, I can't go. I can't be using granites and can't do this. I'm answerable. So उन constraints के अंदर बनाने का हमारा एक art हो गया है. So you don't lose the touch of my architecture, which is so beautiful to us. But with all the constraints, we sometimes get more, artistic achievements. Thank you very much. I won't take much of your time. You want to ask me anything, you can.